Poplight is a cordless rechargeable LED wall light. The base is 4.5 inches in diameter. The LED globe is roughly 5 inches in diameter and made of impact-resistant plastic. The mounting base has screw holes for a permanent installation, or you can attach the light to a surface with 2 removable adhesive strips. The adhesive strips can be removed without damaging the wall, which is great for apartments or dorm rooms where more light is needed. The mounting base has a built-in bubble level to ensure that the light is mounted straight. The battery is removable for easy charging. The light has a 5 to 9 hour runtime depending on the brightness level. Or you can plug the USB charging cable into an outlet and leave it connected to the light for continuous use. You can turn the light on and off and dim the light with the power button. With the free app, you can also turn the light on and off, control the brightness, change the color temperature to warm, neutral, or cool, and check the battery status. You can set a timer to turn the light off automatically. It comes in multiple colors and has a 30-day return policy.